Hello and welcome to the UCSF Portfolio video training series. In this episode, we will introduce you to the Portfolio tool and help you get started. Based on the open source web application called Mahara, UCSF's Portfolio tool provides an online environment for you to document and critically reflect on your educational progress and professional development while at UCSF. Here's how it works. In step 1, you create content for your portfolio. This includes your resume, writing, file uploads, and more. These pieces of information are called artifacts. In step 2, you build pages which contain selections from your repository of artifacts. In the final step, you choose to share these new pages with individual users and groups. Throughout the whole process, you are in complete control of your portfolio. Okay, let's get started. Begin by opening an internet browser and typing the following into the address bar: portfolio.ucsf.edu, and then press the Enter key on your keyboard. You will be taken to the UCSF Portfolio Welcome page, which provides some useful information for new users. Click on the Select button and you will be taken to the Login page. To access the portfolio, you must have a UCSF My Access account. If you have questions about My Access accounts, please use the links provided on this page or contact ITS Customer Support. Enter your My Access ID and password, and then click the Login button to proceed. Once logged in, you will notice a navigation bar across the top of the page. This is your primary method for navigating the portfolio. Each tab represents a main section or module of the portfolio. The first module is the dashboard. You can tell that I am on the dashboard now because its tab is shaded in a dark blue color. This is the starting point for your portfolio session. On the dashboard, you will find information about the portfolio tool and an overview of recent pages and activities related to your account. The content module is your personal repository for information and files, or artifacts, which are used to build pages. You'll notice that a second row of tabs appeared after clicking on the Content tab. These submodules represent additional areas to input information in the Content module. All of the modules, other than the dashboard, have a series of submodules within them. Clicking on the third tab opens the Portfolio module. After you have added artifacts in the Content module, you will build pages here and also set up sharing options so others can view those pages. The final module in the portfolio is Groups. Here you have the ability to find, create, and join groups of other UCSF Portfolio users. Using groups makes it easy to share pages with larger numbers of people. You can also manage your friends through the Groups module, taking advantage of the Portfolio tool's social networking features. We will explore each of these modules more thoroughly in the training videos that follow, so stay tuned. In the top right corner of most portfolio web pages, you will see a few additional links and buttons. In the Settings area, you have the ability to change options that will affect your overall portfolio experience. For example, I can change my Friends Control option and allow anyone to add me as a friend without requiring my authorization. On the following two tabs within the Settings area, you can control how you receive notifications from the system when certain actions take place, and view which portfolio using institution you are a member of. Clicking on the Mail icon takes me to my portfolio inbox. Here you will see all your notifications as well as any internal messages that were sent to you from other portfolio users. To filter your inbox, make a selection from the Activity Type drop-down menu. The next link is Log Out. Always make sure to click the Log Out link after you are done working in the Portfolio tool. Simply closing the browser window will not properly close your session, and this may present an unnecessary security risk to your account and private information. The final item in the header is the user search box. To locate a friend in the system, type all or part of their name and then click the search button. This will allow you to view their profile, send them a message, and view any pages they've shared with you. And finally, let's take a look at a few of the conventions used throughout the portfolio. You will find these small information icons strategically placed throughout the system. Clicking on the icon will reveal a small window with useful information about the nearby item. For example, if I couldn't recall what each of the Friends control options did, I could click on the corresponding info icon to figure it out. Save and Done buttons are located at the bottom of any page that contains editable items. Always remember to click the Save and Done buttons after making a change or entering data. If you forget and navigate away from a page you've been working on, you could lose your changes. Edit buttons appear next to customizable information blocks, pages, and other items in the system that have adjustable properties. For example, I have to click the Edit button, which normally looks like a pencil, to change the configuration of my dashboard page. Now that you are comfortable navigating the portfolio, you are ready to explore the dashboard, so stay tuned for additional training videos. And that concludes this episode of the UCSF Portfolio video training series. Thank you for watching.